Hey guys, it's Shane here, and I just want to take this opportunity to announce that I am so excited that the 30-day away funnel challenge is back. And that means that if you have any sort of business idea or any sort of aspirations to start a business in 2019, you need to join this challenge. To invest in yourself for the next 30 days, you will be taught by the best marketing strategists and funnel builders out there. Russell Brunson, along with his top two funnel builders and marketing strategists, Steve Larsen and Julie Stoin, will hold your hand and guide you step by step for the next 30 days to build out your product, build out your offer, build out your funnel, and get traffic and sales to your website. Get you profits in the next 30 days. You don't need a product, you don't need an offer. Don't worry about it if you don't have any of that and all you have is an idea. That is okay. They will start from the beginning and guide you all the way through, but you must join the challenge. It's the best bang for your buck. $100. That is all it takes. These people have charged thousands of dollars for people to take their courses and their training courses, to read their books. I've spent a lot of money on their products myself, but right now, if you accept this challenge, they are going to guide you for the next 30 days. Again, you don't need any sort of product or an offer or a funnel or a website or any of that. They will show you how to do it step by step, over the shoulder training, and you will receive it all for just $100 for the next 30 days. This is incredible. Over 7,500 entrepreneurs joined last year, and they have increased their business and scaled their funnels and their business profits dramatically. So you don't want to miss out today. It's just 2 days away, and I need you to join the challenge with me. If you accept, there's a link above or below somewhere on this video, and I need you to just click on the link and join the challenge and say that you accept. All you need is to accept and to have a will and a desire to say yes I will and take action, take massive action. Listen, we all already know what to do. We all know, we need to put these steps into place. Now is the time to actually do it and buckle down, be accountable, and take massive action. And you can do that by joining the challenge today. Keep yourself accountable. This will be the best investment you make for just $100. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Again, it's just 2 days away. Click on the link now. And if you join below, don't forget to comment, send me an email or comment below and let me know that you have accepted the challenge, and I will personally send you out absolutely free resources and training resources that I have available on creating your email list, on creating your affiliate marketing course. Just all the trainings that I have available that are worth over $997 of value. My email building list is worth over $497 worth of value. If you want all of this value plus Russell Brunson, Julie Stoin, Steve Larsen, the best of the best, training you, holding your hand step by step. You don't want to miss this challenge. You want to take advantage of it just for $100, and you have an enormous resource available to you for the next 30 days. Again, click on the link and join today. It's not going to be available for long. You only have 2 more days to join. So click on the link, and I hope to see you guys in the challenge.